Damn, Spancy.
What up? What up? What up? What up? It's your boy, me, man, back in that thing, man. I'm back with another video. Today vlog, man, I meet up with some of the guys from the SRT Click. Some guys I haven't met yet. Some I have. They'll be putting up to the museum where we'll be doing like a little photo shoot from the group. We're gonna get all the cars together. Man, just stay tuned, man. We just gonna get all the cars together. I'm gonna meet some people. We also going to a car show out in Bellwood. I want y'all to stay tuned for that, man. If y'all just tuning in, man, make sure y'all hit the share, like, and subscribe button, man. Post notifications on all. You know what I'm saying? So you get the latest contents and updates to the videos that your boy drop from day to day and day after the next day, man. Y'all know how to go, but man, just stay tuned, man. I'm just waiting on the guys. Y'all see the museum in the background. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple of guys that's in the SRT Click right now. We don't do no judging, no hating, man. If it's your shit, you just own it. Two of the guys right now, man, I got in the SRT Click. Can y'all go ahead and shoot out y'all Instagram and y'all names for me?
Hey, what's up, man? Big Vontae. Follow me on Instagram, 345 Vontae.
Okay.
Man, you feel me? I'm here, man.
Man, y'all go ahead and follow my guy, man. He part of SRT Life and another one right here.
None of that yet, bro. But fuck with me. I'm still a baby in the game, but I'm coming up quick, bro. Holla at me. I'm Big T from the west side, bro.
Okay.
16th Street.
All right, cool. No Instagram, nothing, though?
Man, you know what? I got it, but I don't know the name, so
okay, hey, just stay tuned. He gonna have it.
Stay tuned. I'm coming up big, bro.
Okay, before this day over, he gonna have the name of it.
I got a lot of work coming to the baby, bro.
Man, it's all project. This is baby right here, man. But I want y'all to go ahead and follow my guys, man. You already know we show love on this channel, man. We don't hate, we don't discriminate or nothing like that. But this part of my guys from the SRT Click.
I'm gonna let y'all hit the baby.
Okay, he say he got a little something in the back.
I'm gonna let y'all hit the baby, man. Oh, let me hear something.
Oh, he got that little popcorn in the back, that little snack crack on the pop.
Yes, sir.
Y'all here. Okay. All right. Oh. Yes. Yes, man. Y'all see it, y'all see it. Y'all already know that name, man. SRT Life. Yes, man. Yes. We got another person, man. SRT Life. Hey, man, can you shoot out your Instagram or something like that, man, where they can follow you up?
Get them on.
Yes, sir, man. For real, yep, all day. Hey, I gotta show you much love because you're a veteran, right?
Yeah.
Me too, bro.
What
12 years. Army, man.
Army? Okay, where you stationed at?
Man, Fort Campbell.
Japan.
Oh, you was in Japan?
Yes, sir.
Man, I was trying to go overseas, man. I wanted to go to Germany.
Listen, bro.
I wanted to go to Germany so bad.
Fucks you over. You should have. It was awesome. I was stationed in Japan for 4 years. I've been to Korea, Guam, Australia, Thailand. Hong
Man,
Kong.
show this man some love, man. Fellow veteran just like me, man.
Oh, yeah, defo.
Much love out here. We got one more, but the other guys are coming. He got an RT Charger, man. This boy is clean. Part of SRT life.
Yes, sir.
Y'all know what time it is, you know what I'm saying? Yep. On Lexani's.
Sitting on the floor.
Yeah, y'all see it. Nice and clean too, bro. Nice and fucking clean. Leather interior with the red stitching. Yep. Smell good in this motherfucker. Yes, sir,
I
man.
appreciate you, bro.
Man, it's all love here, bro. Yes, sir, man. Yep. Man, y'all just stay tuned, man. We got the rest of the guys coming up, man. Just stay tuned. Make sure y'all don't hit that skip, the ads or nothing like that, because y'all know that's how we get paid. That's how I get paid. So don't skip the ad. Just stay tuned and watch the whole video. All right, love. A couple more guys just pulled up. My guy Main, my guy Lloyd. And I keep forgetting the other one with the... Ain't nothing but love here, man. Just made it here. Yes, sir. Oh, that's what you was doing. You was getting the car wash. That's what I was doing. Uh-huh. I can't do the music, though. I can't do the music. I'm going to get copyrighted, so I got to stay. Yeah, so, man, y'all see the whips, man. Your ass, boy. Y'all come and wipe it down. His name ain't Main Man no more. Got my boy Lloyd in the house. What's good with you, fool? Man, another day, man. The grind don't stop, baby. Yes, sir, man. Man, y'all see it, man. We about to go on here and take this trip up to the car show, man. And y'all just stay tuned, man. It's lit, man. It's gonna be a lit little day. We're gonna take a ride. Chicago City, you know what I'm saying? Our city. Ain't no city like it. I don't care what y'all say. Ain't no city like Chicago, baby. What do, gang, man? It's your boy AB, man. I'm up here at the car show, man, right now. I'm hoping I don't get copywritten, but I'm gonna just work through this. And I just want y'all to see, like, most of all the cars that came up here. So just take a look. Yeah, man, in the cut. Huh?
I see she was on his ass.
I was on his ass. He was on that Shelby couldn't get. He couldn't.
He tried to get over.
Yeah, I'm on your ass, nigga. Oh, you say you want to show me?
Yeah.
How y'all doing? All right, what's going on? on, baby? Love, man. See you. What's up, man? It's all love, bro. What's going on, fam? Yes, sir. I see you. I see you, sir. Yes, yes. Y'all gotta see this color flipping on this one. This the pocket too, man. It's a stabilizer on it, wind blocker on it. It's decent, bro. It's decent. It's small as hell.
Yeah,
throw it in my pocket, I'm gone.
You know what
Just throw it in my pocket, I'm gone, bro. Yeah, yeah. About like 525, something like that. It's decent though, bro. All I do is hook it up to my phone. As soon as I hook it up to my phone, all the footage just go right to it. Yeah. What's going on, fellas? How y'all feeling, man? What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing?
You can't even see a curve, like you turning the corner, you gonna smack that. You got snow in your pocket.
I'm just up here, man. Trying to give y'all live footage of some of the car shows, man. We out here in Bellwood. Man, just stay tuned, man. If y'all just tuning in, man, make sure y'all hit the share, like, and subscribe button, man. Post notifications on all so you get the latest updates and contents and videos that your boy drop from day to day or a day after the next day, man. But just stay tuned, all right? What up, guys, man? It's your boy AB, man. Just wanted to give y'all some footage of, man, of the car show, man. Some of the guys, cars and stuff like that, man. Just something slight, man. Just Juneteenth, you know what I'm saying? Just we out here, man. It's Juneteenth car show that was up in Bellwood, man. We just showed up, man. Showed up. We got a nice little lineup, man. You know what I'm saying? So just wanted to represent with my guys from SRT Life. Just something slight, man. Just trying to give y'all some content of what I do day to day and a little bit inside my life, man. But until the next video, man, or the next episode, man, this is your boy AB, and I'm out.